Okay, so as you probably know, we are creating a Python crime game that will use data to solve it. And you will get 1 byte per week. So we're going to build this in bytes. If you want to have all the bytes as I am building it, not have to wait a week, you can join my membership channel here. Otherwise, 1 a week. And what we're going to do today, it doesn't, for the user or for the player, it won't make a difference, but for us, it will make all the difference in the world because we're going to validate whatever the user is giving us. So do you accept the challenge? Yes. If I write it in uppercase, let me rerun it. Trinket, sometimes it doesn't work from the beginning. You see that it is accepted even though we don't have lowercase. So Ruth, welcome. If I rerun it, and instead of saying yes or no in any form, I do maybe. It says only yes and or no answers are allowed. Please try again, and then you ask again. So it will continue asking until you actually say yes or no in any form. Okay, and then it says hi, welcome. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, byte 4. So we're going to steal some of the code from byte 3, that's for sure, because it is fairly similar. So we're going to steal a code from byte 3, and then we are going to, this is the if statement that we need in there, put in there. Like that, and then shift enter. If you don't know what the code above is, go and check byte 4, the theory part. This is just a solution, okay? And it's running. Let's let it run. Yes, 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 yes. All this block, it should be indented. So select and then tab, and then shift enter. And then it runs. It says, do you accept the challenge? And I say, maybe. And it says, only yes or no answers are allowed. Please try again. Do you accept the challenge? Yes. What is your name? Ruth. Hi, Ruth. Okay. So we got it. We got it. For the next byte, I think that we're going to start accessing the database. There is this game has a database with all the data that we need to query to find who the killer is. And we're going to connect to the database and start to getting some data out of there. So I will see you on byte 5.